This is Janet the Mechanic, Strange RV Tours. Got another project. Gutter extensions. Yeah. That way, maybe the water won't be pooling under our tire over here when it does rain, or when the AC condensation comes running down the side and it messes up the windows. And so let's see if these help. They're pretty cheap. Looks like no tools needed, hopefully, but let's get on it.
These are going to be applied to these little rain gutters right here to extend them out away from the RV. So.
Alright, so I'm going to crawl up there. I'm going to clean out the gutters a little bit too. So, we'll see how it works. Oh man. Okay. Yeah. It's chilly. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Got me a gallon of water, a little brush, a little skewer so I can go underneath these clamps. So, I guess we can start right here, huh?
Sure.
Might as well. Let's see. The package. See all the stuff in the gutters, though? Yeah. Pine needles. That's probably from Texarkana. Okay. Yeah. I actually slid this one on and got that one to go over on the top. These are a little different shape, I guess, but that looks good.
There's some water up there?
Yeah, let me see how that goes.
You may pour it that way, maybe lower in the front.
Here, I'll pour it. What? It's gonna get all over you. Here. Here.
It's working.
Yeah, that keeps it out about 8 inches or so. Yeah, that'll work. Awesome. Okay, onward. There.
What tricks have you learned about these so far?
That you got to modify the directions to your vehicle. I guess. Yeah, see, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Okay. Okay. There we go. All right. So last time I got down this way and this one popped right in. Oh, that was great. That was like, ta-da, 2 seconds. So the other side.
All right, go to what
You want me to pour some water on you?
Sure, go ahead. I'm always ready for a shower.
There you go.
That works. That looks good. Okay, we go to the other. Okay.
Alright. Let's see. Let's see. Did that one go like that? Oh. Do it like I did the other one. Get on there. Come on. There, got that almost. Come on. It's in a bind. Why is it not moving? There. Now, see, I got the bottom one on. Okay, I got the top. All right. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Hopefully. Yeah. Do the water test.
Alrighty.
Okay. You're gonna.
That'll work.
All right.
One more to go.
Yay. It's cold up here. All these pine needles,
Put
man.
some water in it before you get started, just to kind of show the difference.
Oh, okay. Here you go. Here.
The way it kicks the water out further away from the vehicle.
That's
Okay.
a lot of water. It's like hitting the side of the vehicle.
Yeah. That sounded good.
There's some adhesive sticking under it. That's it. Got it. It's kind of weird angle, isn't it?
All right.
Let's see.
Yeah, that gets it further away from the vehicle.
Yeah, this one. Okay, all done with this one. So, if you like the video, hit like. If you like everything that we do, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications and share. Right? Share. Okay. All right, you guys, take it easy.
Bye, everybody.